Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday and welcome to week 3. This week we're going to be looking at grain, grape, and olive, which advances us in history quite a bit from last week's discussion about our ancient civilizations and focuses solely on ancient Greece and ancient Rome and their commonalities, their differences, their greatnesses, their weaknesses, and their eventual demise or fall. But we will definitely learn a lot about world culture, and we'll definitely learn a lot about how those two world powers, so to speak, or great civilizations, have influenced world culture and spread world culture. So this week will be interesting for you for sure, I think. Once you've completed the reading second course, this is what we're reading this week: Grain, Grape, and Olive, the Ancient Mediterranean, talking about that ancient trilogy. And then you're going to be completing a terminology assignment based on course 2. You're also going to be reading an article. This article is an attempt to keep us up to date on some current news or trends, things happening in the world today. Meaning like within the last 5 to 10 years, this decade of our lifetimes, and how food has changed. Now, food is changing rapidly every day, and so we're going to be looking at some articles that may be a little bit older, or some articles that are going to be much more current within the last year or so. But this particular article is called How Ugly Fruits and Vegetables Can Help Solve World Hunger. And it's a very interesting article. It came out of National Geographic. If you do not have a subscription to the website, you won't be able to view the article. But I do have a Word version of it here as well. So if you do have a subscription, you can use this link to get to the article on National Geographic's website. There's some great images that go along with the video, or along with the article. So it's a great resource, but it's not required. The reading itself can be done by clicking above here with the Word document, How Ugly Fruits and Vegetables Can Help Solve World Hunger, text-only version. Okay? So if you don't have a website, don't despair. You can read it here. So the 2 assignments that you have this week are both due by Friday at midnight. You don't have any discussions to complete this week. You're going to be doing a response to the article review, and you can download that here, complete the worksheet, and then resubmit that. And then your additional assignment is your terminology. So instead of the guided reading questions, this week it'll be a terminology assignment. So if you copy and paste these 15 terms from the reading from course 2 into a Word document and define them as defined or described in the reading, and make sure you provide a page number reference from the reading. Okay? So both of those are due Friday. This week I'm going to be working on wrapping up your discussions from last week and grading those, just to give you a quick review of how you're going to be graded. This grading rubric for online discussion assignments is always available on our homepage right beneath our syllabus, and give you a quick synopsis to remember. Each post is going to be graded on system of 1 through 4. So if you want to go for a 4-point post, these are what you need to hit: posted by the given deadline, an original subject line, display a depth of knowledge, which means you use all of the assigned readings or articles in the discussion prompt. You use appropriate citations. Your post is of high quality, demonstrating that you have read the materials and considered the topics carefully. You're free of grammatical errors and spelling errors, and it's well thought out, well put together, cohesive, flows, and shows that synthesis of information. So that's the 4-point post that you're looking for each one. Now, if your initial post is graded on a 1 through 4, so is your response post graded on a 1 through 4. So in order to hit a 4 on your response post, you've got to also hit all these bullet points. Okay, so the total discussion is going to be worth 8 points. That's the maximum number of points you can earn on this total discussion. All right, so I'll get to work on those, and you get to work on course 3. As always, if you have questions, you can pop them into the public forum, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great week, guys. Bye.